My name is Jack, and I'm a recovering double knee replacement patient. And if you're like me, well, you're kind of tired of doctor's offices and being treated like a number, waiting forever, and just feeling like you don't matter much and kind of lost in the whole process. I went from the hospital, which was great. They took great care of me there, but I was just another set of knees sometimes. To the acute rehab center. Well, I was fortunate to be in a good one, but again, once you're there and gone, well, they kind of forget about you a little bit, which is okay. It's part of the process. But you get that feeling that, well, enough is enough. And you wonder, sometimes it's easy to get lost in the process of healing. And you wonder, how do I get this better for myself? And you feel all alone sometimes. But let me tell you this. There's one place to go for physical therapy, no other place. That's Farmingdale Physical Therapy West on Hempstead Turnpike in Bethpage. Owned and operated by Butch Purslow. He's a doctor and he's the best. You've never met anybody like him. You may never again. He and his family and his staff understand what it's like to get you from A to Z, to really heal you. Healing isn't just about the body part that's bothering you, whether it's surgery that you already had, preparing for that surgery, or trying to avoid surgery and use therapy instead. They understand what it takes, and they're there for you. They're great people, and highly recommended by some of the best physicians in this country. But they're also recommended by people like me, because we know it, and we've been there, and they matter to us, and we absolutely matter to them. There's just nothing else like it. Don't waste time anywhere else. This is the place, and you'll be well.
Hi, my name is Chris Joseph, and I play professional hockey. And during the season, I had to have surgery on my shoulder, and following surgery, I came to Butch for physical therapy, and the positive environment really helped me get better and back on the ice as soon as I could.
It's ready. Okay. My name is Kathy Michaels, and I'm 71 years old and don't feel it. A big reason I don't feel it is because of Butch. Been a patient at Butch's for 15 years now. I have a chronic back problem. He's helped me through it. He's helped me through 4 surgeries. He's helped me to get past a number of surgeries. Right now I'm post-op for the 4th time, and I'm having problems in my lower leg, and Butch is doing an amazing job getting the sensation back and the pain to ease. I have to say that I've recommended Butch to more people than I can count, every one of whom has agreed with me that he is superb. The entire facility is excellent. One of the things that I find so remarkable about Butch is how many young people have come into his office as PA assistants and end up going for their PhDs and becoming physical therapists. And it's amazing for me after all these years to see so many of these young people coming back as physical therapists. His daughter among them, who's a PhD with physical therapy. He has a way of motivating people. It's very hard to explain. One of the other remarkable things that I'll say about him, and he says it the first day you come in, here's my cell phone number. Call me, text me, anytime you want. There are periods of time, sometimes as much as 2 years, when I'm not in active therapy. I can always call Butch. He is always there. His family is part of the enterprise, and they are wonderful. I have yet to meet one person on staff who is not warm, welcoming, intelligent, educated, educable. It's a very positive place to be, especially when you're feeling down because you've been in pain for so long, and the pain just doesn't quit, and it does get you down. But Butch brings you back up, and this place brings you back up. And I've been recommended here by 2 physicians at Hospital for Special Surgery, which is the #1 hospital for orthopedics in the United States, as far as I understand. And they all know Henry Butch Purslow. It's a remarkable place. I don't think there's any place to go. I've ended up in another place once or twice. And there's just, he has a way of working your soul as well as your